Good morning, students. Now, today we'll start with the next chapter of your syllabus, that is lesson number 20, and the topic is locomotion and movements, right? Now, what is locomotion and movement? What is the difference in this that I'm just explaining? Now, movement means, for example, I'm standing here, I'm just moving my hands, but I'm not changing my position, right? This is the movement when your body is not fully moved from one place to another. But if now I will change my position, right? I move from this place to another place. Now this is locomotion, clear? When whole of the body is moved, or you can say you change your position, that is locomotion, clear? The difference in locomotion and movements. Now, all locomotions, you have moving your parts also. So all locomotions are movements, right? Whenever you move your body, your parts are also moving. So that is all locomotions are movements, right? But all movements are not locomotion. If I am moving my hand, this is not locomotion. If I am moving my neck, this is only movement, not locomotion, right? So all locomotions are movements, but all movements are not locomotions. Clear these two terms? Now after that, in your this chapter, there is a little bit introduction about the muscles, right? You have already done this topic in 9th class, but again I give you some revision of that topic. Now there are three types of muscles in your body, right? One is striated muscle having light and dark bands or striations. That's why it is called striated muscles, clear? These are also called voluntary muscles because they are under our control. Means whenever we want, they will work. They are also called skeletal muscles because these muscles are attached to the skeletal bones or skeletal system, right? So these mainly help in the movement and locomotion. Next is smooth muscles, right? Now, as from the diagram, shapes are clear. So, smooth muscles means they are not having light and dark bands. They are uninucleate, having only one nucleus, and they are having the pointed ends. In the viscera, you can find the smooth muscles. All the viscera of your body are mostly made up of smooth muscles, right? And these are involuntary, means they are not under our control. They are under the control of brain. Like for example, you have taken the food. That food is automatically moving. You can't stop that food somewhere in the middle of the intestine. Food will automatically move once it is just engulfed or enter from your mouth to the digestive tract, right? So these muscles are involuntary muscles. They are not under our control. Last is cardiac muscles. As cardiac word is there, cardiac means heart. We call it cardiac muscles because these are only found in the heart. And what is specialty of these muscles? These muscles are the mixture of these two muscles, striated and smooth. They are having some features of the striated muscles and some features of the smooth muscles, right? These are branch muscles. They are uninucleate. Here they are multinucleate. And they are having stripes also. So they are a mixture of that. And these muscles will work throughout our life. Clear? So this is little bit about the muscles. Now, if we know detail of these muscles, कि muscles होते कैसे हैं? Like for example, I have just drawn this muscle. Now this muscle fiber inside, जैसे आपने वूल को देखा होगा बेटे, आप एक वूल के धागे को खोलोगे, उसके अंदर बहुत सारे फाइन फाइबर्स होते हैं. तो muscles are like that. So this is one muscle fiber. If you will open it, इसके अंदर आपको बहुत फाइन fibers मिलेंगे. We call it muscle bundles, right? Now if you just take one bundle, ये मैंने इसको ऐसे करके दिखाया है, ठीक है? एक धागे को निकाल के आप उसको ऐसे काट के देखोगे. So you will find further some more fine fibers. We call it muscle fibers, right? इस main muscle के अंदर क्या है? Muscle bundles है. और muscle bundle को अगर आप खोलते हो तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारे fine fibers हैं. We call it muscle fibers. Now if I will just take one fiber, अगर हम एक fiber को निकालें, the outer membrane is made up of plasma membrane. We call it sarcolemma. Inside you are having sarcoplasm, right, which is having lots of mitochondria and organelles and having lots of calcium also inside. Now inside you can find large number of myofibrils. इसके अंदर फिर से धागे fine branches are there. If I just take one myofibril, clear, and try to look at it, कि how they are arranged. These myofibrils are having light and dark bands. And they are arranged parallel. ये सारे muscles parallel arranged हैं. Clear? Now, how they will work? Further detail of the myofibrils we will do in the next video, right? For today, I think it is sufficient. Clear? You can go in the NCERT book and see it, how these topics are there. Thanks and have a nice day, beta. Next we'll do in the next video.